Hi everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to install the Spigen Glas.tR Easy Fit Tempered Glass Anti-Spy for iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. This tempered glass is designed to protect your screen from scratches, bumps, and shatters. It is also anti-spy, which means that people next to you will not be able to see what you are doing on your phone. Before you start, clean your workspace. Use the wet wipe to thoroughly clean the iPhone screen. Then, use the dry wipe to wipe the screen dry completely. Use the dust stickers to remove any dust particles. Remove the protective film from the tempered glass. Place the tempered glass on your screen, using the tray to align it automatically. Press down firmly on the tempered glass with one finger and slide your other finger along it to secure it. Wait 30 seconds. Then remove the sticker and the alignment tray. Remove the film and use the spatula to slide it along the edges of the tempered glass to remove any air bubbles. That's it. You now have your iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max protected with a Spigen tempered glass. I think the Spigen Glas.tR Easy Fit Anti-Spy is a great option for protecting your iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max. This tempered glass is designed to protect your screen from scratches, bumps, and drops. It is made of 9H tempered glass, which is the highest hardness level available. This means that it is very resistant to scratches and bumps. It also features anti-spy technology. This technology reduces the visibility of the screen from the sides, which allows you to keep your private information safe. It is also very easy to install. It comes with an easy fit installation kit that allows you to easily place it on your screen without bubbles or imperfections. I highly recommend it. However, it does have some drawbacks. It can be a bit more expensive than other tempered glass, and it can reduce the brightness of the screen.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby, it's just twist your body and mine. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby.